How to automatically change lock screen wallpaper when sleep mode is on. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can automatically change lock screen wallpaper when sleep mode is on. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll head over to the settings, and after you're on the settings, scroll down till you find the focus section. Tap on the focus option. Now you will need to add a focus called sleep. Now we will add a sleep mode here. So tap on sleep. After you tap on the plus icon on the top right, tap on sleep, and now you can customize the focus. Now you can just allow notifications if you want them. If you don't want them, that's completely fine. Now you can customize screen. Tap on choose. After you tap on choose, you can customize your screen. So just choose a wallpaper that you want while you're on the sleep mode. I'll just add this and tap it on add. I'll set it as wallpaper pair. And with that, I've just added a wallpaper for my sleep mode. So after doing that, you can just tap on save. And now we've just added a sleep mode. Now if I head back here and just go to my control panel and head over to do not disturb and tap on the sleep option, it should just change my wallpaper lock screen. So that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically it. Now the blur effect was on while the settings was on, so it's just showing a little darker screen, but that is how you can change automatic lock screen wallpaper when sleep mode is on. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.